This video in our Jaeco Mobile Arm Support series is about attaching bands to the elevating Multilink arm. This video is appropriate after the elevating Multilink arm has been attached to either the tabletop mount, wheelchair, or evaluation stand, as well as attachment of the forearm support or forearm trough. Please see previous videos for guidance if needed.
I'm ready for the bands. We've got 3 different sizes of bands. Blue is my strongest, red is medium, and yellow is the lightest strength. I'm going to put on as many bands as I need to help that arm float. We're going to try and get the weight of that arm off. Now, of course, your occupational therapist is going to be great at eyeballing that and looking at how much range of motion that student has. I'm ready to put on the bands. I have 1 blue, 1 red, and 1 yellow band. I'm going to rotate this to the side so you can see those 4 pins that we're going to use for attaching our bands. I'm starting at the back, away from that trough. See, here's my trough over on that end. So I'm starting here at the back and I'm going to loop up. I'm going to go up and over, and I'm going to give it a little turn before I put it on that bottom post. You can see it's already starting to take some of that weight off. This top post in the front would only be used if it was on the left-hand side. So that's why there's 4. But for this right-hand position, we're starting at the back, going up and over, give it a twist, and attach to the bottom front. Ooh, look how it's lifting up now. And I can do 1 more. I'm gonna use my yellow band to add a little bit more support. And I'm gonna start at the back, go up and over, and give it a little twist just to make it nice and snug. And you can see that it's lifting the weight of the arm. Now you're ready to help your student get in, pressing that trough all the way down and helping support the student's arm into this trough with the elbow against the elbow pad. I'm obviously a bit too big for this student-sized one. It helps to lift the arm. You and your occupational therapist may want to look at adjustments at many different points. There's adjustability up and down on the proximal rod and at each of these locations. Focus on adjusting here at the forearm, adjusting tension, and so forth.
And so forth means please only adjust at locations that you have put together as part of the setup processes described in this video series and the included manual. The elevating Multilink is not designed to be taken apart at every screw or bolt. Approved adjustment areas we've covered includes the attachment site to the tabletop wheelchair or evaluation stand, the proximal arm and collar, the offset swivel and collar, the forearm trough and slide, and the resistance bands. If you need further assistance, please contact your Jaeco vendor.
You'll notice that there are a lot of different areas with different screws for the different wrench sizes. The Jaeco Mobile Arm Support team are excellent at helping you adjust to meet your student needs. They're available using the Jaeco Mobile Arm Support information included in the kit. Reach out to your vendor and they'd be happy to meet with you to help make this work for your student.
Be sure to refer to your included Jaeco Manual frequently. It includes a wealth of information, including diagrams, photos, problem-solving tips, and details for adjusting the mobile arm support. It also includes information to assist with ordering if this setup works for your student. Your Jaeco Mobile Arm Support with Elevation is now ready for student trial. Be sure to use your manual, rewatch videos as needed, work with your OT and PT, and reach out to the Jaeco team to help find the ideal fit for your student.